This is so good. I keep telling y'all, the enjoyment has to be way up here. So the ideal way to have a kale smoothie is to pick some from your own little humble garden. So, I mean, this is so delicious. This is a soursop kale smoothie. Yummy. Some kale that I just picked out of the garden. Nice kale smoothie. Delish. I'm gonna enjoy it right now. This is so good. I keep telling y'all, the enjoyment has to be way up here. So this is a kale soursop smoothie from soursop from a local farmer. Use whatever fruit from whatever farmers are close to you. Some baby kale I just picked out of the yard, and it's not exactly a lime, it's not exactly an orange. They're not really very sweet, but it's like a cross between an orange and a lime, but it's not very sweet. So I just put a little bit of that in here with some bananas, and you can also, if you want, add some Irish moss. So this is delicious. Enjoy your food. Real food is super enjoyable.